Hello. Recently, the prompts used for some popular AI agents were published on GitHub. For example, you can now find the system prompts for Lovable, Manus, and many others. As you can see, this Lovable system prompt. So, can you use these prompts to create a local version of Lovable? In this video, I show you how these system prompts can be used to create a local Lovable or any autonomous AI agent if you have its system prompt. We'll also take a look at how these prompts are designed for agents like Lovable. Creating a local Manus or Lovable can be done using Google ADK. First, you need to integrate the desired system prompt into the ADK. Then add your tools and sub-agents according to your AI agent design. Let me now show you how to integrate Lovable system prompt into ADK to create an AI agent that behaves like Lovable. First, copy the system prompt, then open VS Code with a minimal ADK setup. You'll notice that the curly braces in the prompt can confuse Google ADK because it treats them as parameters. To fix this, you need to escape the braces by adding a backslash to all open and close curly braces. Next, update the instructions to tell the large language model to remove these backslashes in its code response. After that, run the ADK web interface to interact with your new AI agent. As you can see, it writes a simple web app code in Lovable style. To achieve more functionality like Lovable, you'll need to handle the special tags that comes with Lovable's responses or change them in the system prompt. You can modify, process, and extend these tags as you like. You also need to create tools for creating new files, for example. This is how you design and customize your own AI agent to do exactly what you want. Any questions, ask me in the comment section. Support the channel for exclusive content and see you next time.